Here's how I built a £1 million portfolio in less than 18 months. So the first thing was desire. I had to decide that I actually wanted to do it and the reason why I wanted to do it, so I'd stick the length of the journey and make sure I actually did it. The second thing was surround myself with people that had already done what I wanted to do. So I joined a course called Property Entrepreneur, and there was lots of people on there that had already built far greater portfolios that I could tap into and get an understanding from them as how to actually do it. The third thing was I raised my profile so I could build some credibility for the marketing that I do and for the businesses I run, which was nothing to do with property, but I raised my profile in what I did do and what I know really well that I could then transfer over to property, which allowed me to build a team of people that were far greater than what I would have done if I had no credibility. The fourth thing, I found a partner, someone that could actually support me with the journey because I wasn't able to do it myself. I didn't have enough time. The fifth thing was we followed the BRRR strategy. The buy, refurbish, rent and refinance. This allowed us to increase the yield and the return on capital employed. So we got around about 12% on average return on the money that we left in the deals, which allowed us to grow the portfolio quicker. And here are the properties.